All right, so let's come back here. We cut these four cells as Control X, X for xylophone. Then we come to the second cell after the one that is highlighted. We click on it and then we Control V or Command V. So we shift all those four cells by one step, creating a space here. Now, click on the highlighted cell. You will see that there are two values separated by a semicolon here. So after clicking on the highlighted cell, which contain the text to be separated, go to Data, come down to Split Text to Column, and then choose a separator, which is semicolon, and then you can have this also separated. You can see it reading 16. Okay, so let's see the rest of it. Okay, that's another one showing up here. So we highlight all these cells all the way to the yes, to this cell. Now Control X to cut. Go to the second cell after the highlighted one, click on it, then paste Control V or Command V. Now come back to the highlighted cell, click on it, go to Data, come down to Split Text to Column, choose a separator, semicolon, and then that is also separated. As you do, you can see that the values are changing to 16. Now let's look for the rest. Where are they hiding? Okay, there's one here. You can see there is one here. Okay, there's one here. So we copy from here all the way to this particular cell. We cut, and then we go to the second cell after the highlighted cell, and then Control V or Command V. Done. Now let's shift it aside a little bit. Click on the highlighted cell, go to Data, come down to Split Text to Column, and then choose a separator, which is semicolon, and then that is also separated for you. Let's go to the last one. So we copy or we highlight these cells all the way. Make sure you don't go beyond or up to the P cell, okay? Yeah, so here, then we cut from here. Let's go to the second cell after the highlighted one, and then paste it there, creating a space here. Now click on this one, go to Data, come down, come down to Split Text to Column, choose a separator, which is semicolon, and then that is also done. Now let's go and see if our data, yes, all our rows are now reading 16, and you can see that our finder is now reading 0 of 0. That means that we have resolved all the issues. So let's go and close this, and now also go to the filter and choose 16, go down, choose OK. Okay, so here we are. All our rows are now reading 16. It means that we are done with the first level. All our columns are set. Our rows are also set. So we continue in the next video to look at what instructions we have in the slide. Don't forget that everything we are doing is what we are instructed to do in the slide. The water access to water slide.